Check engine light popped on during spring? That's actually more common than you think. After winter, your car goes through temperature changes, moisture buildup, and wear. And that's when hidden issues start showing up. Sign number 1. Light comes on after filling gas. If your check engine light shows up right after you get gas, it's often something simple. Why it happens. As temperatures rise, fuel vapors expand. If your gas cap isn't sealed tight, the system detects a leak. Simple fix. Tighten your gas cap until it clicks. Sign number 2. Light after temperature swings. Why it happens. Rubber hoses expand and contract in winter. Over time, they crack and start leaking air. Simple fix. Inspect vacuum hoses for cracks and replace damaged ones. Sign number 3. Rough idle with check engine light. Why it happens. Unmetered air from leaks or sensor issues throws off your engine's air-fuel ratio. Simple fix. Scan for codes and inspect intake hoses and sensors like MAF sensor. Sign number 4. Light after rain or humid days. Why it happens. Oxygen sensors and electrical connectors can react to moisture, causing incorrect readings. Simple fix. Check connectors for moisture or corrosion and clean if needed. Sign number 5. Light with no noticeable symptoms. Why it happens. Small leaks in the EVAP system become more noticeable after winter thaw. Simple fix. Perform a smoke test or have a shop check for EVAP leaks. Sign number 6. Light after battery struggles. Why it happens. Low voltage affects sensors and modules, causing temporary faults. Simple fix. Check battery health and clear codes after replacement if needed. Sign number 7. Light with decreased MPG. Why it happens. Faulty sensors or leaks cause incorrect fuel delivery. Simple fix. Scan codes and address sensor or airflow issues. Sign number 8. Light with sluggish performance. Why it happens. The ECU limits power to protect the engine when it detects a fault. Simple fix. Scan immediately and fix the root cause before damage worsens. Sign number 9. Light comes and goes. Why it happens. Sensors or connections may only fail under certain conditions. Simple fix. Scan for stored codes. Even if the light turns off, most spring check engine lights come from leaks, sensors, or temperature-related wear. Don't ignore your check engine light. What seems small now can turn into a costly repair later. Drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more signs and symptoms to help keep your car running smoothly, and I'll see you next time.